Good afternoon. My name is Stephanie Calvortis. I am 26 years old. I am a paramedic graduate from the Technology University of Pereira. I am currently studying psychology at UNAV in the 7th semester. In my work profession, I already had 18 years of experience in the health sector, but at the care and administrative level. In this process, I have obtained all the necessary knowledge to be able to function in multiple areas of the health sector. At this moment, I am inaugurating my company called Everything for You Health. We consist of multiple devices, supplies, and medicine that are available to the person who requires it. You can call me at my cell number, which is 30056472224, or be through my social networks or Facebook and Instagram. He find me as Everything for You Health. Thank you very much. Happy afternoon.